Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by signing into OneDrive. Enter your Microsoft account and password. This links cloud storage to your laptop. Once signed in, make sure OneDrive has permission to run and access files. This lets it monitor changes. Choose the initial folders you want synced now so uploads don't overwhelm your network. If you're on metered Wi-Fi, limit uploads. This keeps bandwidth usable. Start the sync immediately. Watch the OneDrive icon for activity and confirm it shows syncing. Next, configure selective sync so only needed folders copy to your laptop. Open OneDrive settings, go to Account, and pick Folders. Enable Files on Demand to see placeholders. This saves local disk space while keeping files available. Make sure you understand the difference between online-only and locally available files, because deleting local copies doesn't remove them from the cloud. Finally, set upload/download limits and allow OneDrive to start with your OS for continuous. Finish by verifying sync status. Click the OneDrive icon. Up-to-date confirms success. If files aren't appearing, pause and resume syncing or force a manual sync. Sometimes restarting OneDrive resolves transient errors. Make sure your laptop's clock and OS are current because time skew can block sync. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in or perform a OneDrive reset. This rebuilds the local state without harming cloud data. Keep backups until you're confident the sync is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.